There are good doctors in our state also who make treatments for gastrology and many other illness. Besides spiritual belief, Tarit Deburma from Khumlung Kritivasi village has given a new life to his son Peter Deburma by doing scientific treatment at Unity Gastrocare Hospital. The rich people of our state used to go outside the state for better treatment for small illness, whereas the poor people could not even think of going outside the state just by knowing the amount of money needed for the treatment. But Tarit Deburma and his son Peter Deburma from Khumlung Kritivasi village has proved that for getting better treatment we don't need to go outside the state. According to the news, Peter Deburma from Khumlung Kritivasi village is studying in Delhi University. However, he got sick due to jaundice on the past December month and later affected with various other diseases. After that, he was taken to a private hospital in Delhi for treatment. Meanwhile, he returned in the state Tripura. In the end, Peter started taking treatment with Dr. Amitabh Roy in Unity Gastrocare Hospital in Agartala. While doing treatment, besides jaundice, he was affected with many other diseases including hepatitis A, TB and pneumonia. Fortunately, after treatment, Peter is now getting well like before.
Dr. Amitabh Sabna, thanks to being the performance overall very good, excellent. Karan bojebabe overall section on ayo visit hoite khai jeta treatment ba lab technician ni kam pon dobo khai boniji overall dealing khai tai bini jeta experience khub appreciate khai banan karon bojebabe phaso ang naja kha jokhon gas ni apro bo ekdom 99% guarantee am treatment khaikya आज treatment खमें ठेके ना बोनो confidence गान चराइना Delhi टिफी Delhi treatment रिया करे आम बनी hospital टिफी hospital थाना बोने चिनी जाक नंग चिंता खाई नंग टेंशन ना या तो फलांग सका सारो औरों ये खाना सारी नहीं 5 दिन पूरे ये हम बारे तलांग नहीं इनके बोसा का नतलांग या नंगानी बहुत बरोसा ना ली आम ठीक है नहीं एयरपोर्ट के बहुत जेता वो कोंगनार माने और कोंगनार मुताबिक वो खाया आउन बोई अंक हम बोनो जानो को हम भाई Chini baru nang sana musuh bini performance kahamna botai se nisini kok baru man arthini kita ibo dikoting ya je lekha pora kri baru boibo samusya phaya.
Eventually, Peter has shown the people of the state that there are good doctors in our state also that can make treatment for gastrology and many other illness.
Ani mong Peter Deburma, tai ang Delhi University of Pori tongmani, tai after ani jaundice kha, tai ang Delhi wo December of mani. Ani jaundice manjagai tai oro ang naijong mani hapino oro boro anu asuk saria anu sagata food fast food rokta chari asuk phadari mui rokta chari inge ang nogon chakha hapino afura asuk saimia ba jaundice roktom tom charana om paran January o exam paikha om parang next din ang Tripura paikha ngom pare bau tongmani inge bau agi manjagai gas rong manjagai hammani Amitabh Rai sai bai Gawano next dinner appointment now Jung Amitabh Rai Sarni Hospital Thanga Unity Hospital on Poreching Osaka Tangi treatment naka. First charge in treatment naman Pore Taisha, Tinin Pore Pidin Samaning, Tinin Pore Thanga again, Taisha nursing home, Taisha Pazin Bagi Matonka, on Pore Amitabh Rai search on treatment naka. On Porani jaundice niba, the jaundice ni logi Taisha afro test Kaizagi Manka, hepatitis A, on Pore TB, Taiwan logi pneumonia Manjaka. On Paretasha treatment Rui, Sir Ani lungs rogo, treatment Kainai, Orani Tirokari Winai, Tabuk to Mutamuri Tigno.
Okay, Tabuk Hamkan. Haman Yagolo, Nung Joe Doctor no. Boba Hai, Mane Kakamung Nargne.
Thanks, Sanamusung Amitabh Rai Sarano. Tai Bo treatment Kamani Kage, Bo self care Kaya Bo, Egdom. माने ट्रीटमेंट खाके एकदम ठीक केन खायो ताई बो निजेनी पेशेंट रो काम केन नायो राउंड खायो सब समय नो बो निजे न जो तो नायो एक्चुअली बो एंडोस्कोपी रो खाइबे न निजे न खायो ताई निजे न जो तो नायो यूनिटी हॉस्पिटल होता.
After the treatment, Peter Deburma has once again went for Delhi to join his studies on Tuesday. In the end, Peter urged the people of the state to not to believe in spiritual treatment and always make treatment in scientific ways. Reported by Amit from Khumlung, Chini, Khorang.